In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your region language on Amazon Prime Video app. I'm going to show you for both of these apps, the Amazon app and the Prime Video also. So for the Prime Video, you just need to be logged into your account, and from here tap on your profile icon on the top right, and again tap on the settings icon on the top right. And if you scroll down from the settings, you'll see an option of language. You can just tap on it and choose any language that you want. Once you do, it's going to give you a menu where you need to restart your app to save the changes. So you just tap on yes, and your language will be changed to the one that you selected. Now for the Amazon app, you can also open it up and tap on the three lines on the bottom right and open up settings. Inside of settings, you'll see the first option, which is country and language. You can tap on it and then tap on language. By default, English will be selected. Select to any other language that you want to change to and just tap on this button, and your language on the whole application will be changed. So that was a quick video on how to change your region language on the Amazon app and also on the Amazon Prime Video. If you guys found this video useful, then be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more content similar to this, be sure to turn on that notification of our channel. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.